Today, Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, here in your beloved Philippine Carmel in Gilmore, Quezon City. Today, your birth anniversary. I follow your inspiration to offer what you call the Philippine Holy Election with Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus. I am here in your beloved Carmel, Gilmore Carmel, that hosted several events for the Philippines Prophetic Future with Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus, Dr. Jose Rizal and Dr. Ferdinand Blumentritt. I do this as we wait for the 6:30 a.m. Holy Mass. I pray for all the intentions, especially for leaders who will be guided, the citizens, leaders, and communities who will participate in the Philippine Holy Election with Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus. This is also in preparation for our November 2026 100th anniversary of the Philippine Carmel of Saint Teresa of the Child Jesus. God's merciful love we praise for the Philippine Pilgrimage Jubilee Year of Hope. Amen.